Pappu Yadav says votes will come for Rahul's picture. Images of all three netas should be on the poster. Pappu Yadav says we can win Bihar only with Rahul's photo. On Tejasvi Yadav's photo in the poster at the venue Mahagathbandhan. Independent MP Pappu Yadav, who's leaning towards the Congress party, we'd like to clarify, has said voting will be done on Gandhi's picture only and not on anyone else's picture. Pictures of all three leaders of the alliance should have been there. This is not right. It will not send the right message. We can win Bihar only on the face of Rahul Gandhi. We have no other way to win here. Listen in.
भैया राहुल गांधी के बगैर कोई औचित्य है क्या? मैं नहीं मानता। राहुल गांधी की तस्वीर पर ही वोट पड़ने हैं, किसी और तस्वीर पर वोट नहीं पड़ने हैं। राहुल गांधी जी का सिंगल चेहरा होना चाहिए और आप गठबंधन में सबका होना चाहिए।
Independent MP Pappu Yadav there was leaning towards the Congress party, has said and supported that Rahul Gandhi's picture should have been there. And Piyush, of course, continues to be with us. Piyush, this is in a way of a section of the Mahagathbandhan at least, indicating that because this is an alliance. Okay, we will go back to Piyush in a moment from now. Pappu Yadav said votes will be cast on the picture of Rahul Gandhi and the name of Rahul Gandhi. What is the message that is being sent by the RJD is simply having Tejasvi Yadav's photograph on the poster. RJD, of course, we know is a senior partner in this alliance of the Mahagathbandhan for the state of Bihar. Pappu Yadav says everybody should have been represented. Images of all three netas should be on the poster, is what Yadav has said. It will not be sending the right message. We can win Bihar only on the face of Rahul Gandhi. We have no other way to win here, said Pappu Yadav. That we can win Bihar only with Gandhi's photo. In fact, we'll put out that soundbite of Pappu Yadav once again.
भैया राहुल गांधी के बगैर कोई औचित्य है क्या? मैं नहीं मानता। राहुल गांधी की तस्वीर पर ही वोट पड़ने हैं, किसी और तस्वीर पर वोट नहीं पड़ने हैं। राहुल गांधी जी का सिंगल चेहरा होना चाहिए और आप गठबंधन में सबका होना चाहिए।
To go straight across to Piyush, who continues to be with us. It's the first indication from the Mahagathbandhan that the poster has made them uncomfortable. Piyush.
Well, that's right, Sneha. What we are now learning is that the poster war is now taking place in Mahagathbandhan. There's photograph of only, Tejasvi Yadav. Now, Pappu Yadav, who is supported by the Congress leaders, is now coming out and saying that the votes will be poured on the name of Rahul Gandhi only, on the name of Congress leaders only. So, we are now seeing as to how claims versus counter claims are coming out. We also spoke to the Pankaj Bhattacharya, who is a CPI-ML General Secretary. He is now saying that he has accepted various other parts of Mahagathbandhan. Even they have now accepted Tejasvi Yadav as the face of Mahagathbandhan, and that's what is also being showcased here via this backdrop. And right behind me, you can also see the preparations. Those are now underway. The leaders have started arriving. We can see Manoj Jha also, who is on the stage. The Pankaj Bhattacharya is on the stage. We have Congress leaders. Spokespersons are what we are told is that they are also reaching in a short while from now. Ashok Gehlot, along with other senior leaders, will also be the part of this press conference. It's going to be a joint press conference by Mahagathbandhan where they will try to show a united front to fight against National Democratic Alliance. But even before they start their press conference, the controversy has erupted. And on this entire controversy, we are now seeing the parties like BJP, LJP...
Coming back to you in a moment from now. Reaction also coming in from Giriraj Singh. Let's take a listen.
देखिए, मीडिया में जो भी आए, मोदी जी के, नीतीश कुमार के डर से अब सुन रहे हैं कि बड़े चिरोड़ी किए लालू यादव जी, बहुत खुशामद किए कि देखो मेरा अंतिम समय है, कम से कम नाम तो घोषित कर दो। तो शायद सुना है कि एनडीए के नीतीश कुमार नरेंद्र मोदी के डर से नाम घोषित होने वाला है नेता का, ठगबंधन का। ये एक दूसरे को ठगने का काम किया और लोग कह रहे हैं बहुत देर कर दी हजूर आते आते, अब सब रुपया गोल हो गया।
का बेटा कहा कि कांग्रेस राहुल गांधी उनको टिकट देने का